Welcome to the session. My name is Satish Thomas. I'm the Vice President for the Microsoft Industry Cloud and Solutions Engineering team. And today, we're going to double click into how all of you as developers can leverage the Microsoft Industry Cloud and more broadly the Microsoft Cloud to accelerate building use cases and applications. Now, over the last year, we've actually brought a few industry clouds to market, specifically healthcare, financial services, nonprofit, and we've announced previews for retail and manufacturing as well. So one of the examples I wanted to cover was actually one of our partners, Mazik Global, that actually built a vaccine management solution on top of our Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare. So if you look at what was done there, there's three kind of use cases where across the patient, across the vaccinator, and across the back office. So what Mazik Global did here is, again, leveraging the Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare, using our data model, was able to build experiences using our Power Platform, by the way, across the patient experience, the vaccinated experience, and the back office. So as many of you might have gone through the workflow when you got vaccinated, this is a solution that one of our partners, Mazik Global, very quickly got into market because they were able to leverage most of this versus having to rebuild it. And most of the time was focused on making sure that that patient experience was excellent, that vaccinated experience met the needs of the customers, which is essentially states, counties, and governments across the world. And those back office scenarios were able to kind of build very quickly. Again, leveraging the Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare, the data model that we had, the connectors that we had, et cetera, out of the box. One more thing that's actually pretty critical about this end-to-end solution is Mazik was able to leverage and build connectors to EMRs, which is electronic medical record systems, using the connector framework we had, again, being able to land that data in the Microsoft Cloud to be able to leverage to use for those use cases. Go fast. And one of my favorite quotes is, from Mazik is they were able to 10x their time to market because they were able to leverage as much all of this from the Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare without having to rebuild it. And it's not just in the case of healthcare, right? So a lot of ISVs like MazikCare deal with other industries as well, like education, and the same kind of model works for each of those industries as well as we bring them to market.